What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you my first pickup of 2018. Let's get started. Alright guys, before we jump into this unboxing, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button down below. You'll want to hit that subscribe button. We got huge things coming to this channel in 2018, and if you hit that subscribe button, you can be a part of it. So, click that big red button, and be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. I am going to be showing you an on-feet look at these sneakers, and it's going to be awesome. Remember how I told you this content was about to get a lot better? If you stay tuned to the end, you'll get to see that. Now back to our regularly scheduled unboxing. Alright guys, so like I said, this is my first pickup of 2018. As you can see, I did go to Neiman Marcus, so you know I spent some rack. Not really, this is actually probably one of the most cheap things that you can get at Neiman Marcus. But I picked up some Boost. Alright guys, so this is the Adidas box. As you can see, 3 stripes, Adidas right here. The little Boost clear holographic print right there, and I've actually wanted to get a pair of these for a long time. I saw them all over the place on Instagram, on GOAT, and I have liked them, but I've never seen them in person until I bought them yesterday. So if you follow me on Instagram, you saw my Instagram story, and I showed you a sneak peek of what these are, but I did pick up the Adidas Iniki runners in the wolf gray color. So let me go ahead and pop these bad boys out of the box. Woo! Alright, so I am freaking ridiculously psyched about this shoe. It is so much better looking in person than it was on the website, in the pictures, anything like that. And I was actually surprised to see that they had these in stock. I know Adidas has been doing like crazy restocks lately on pretty much all of their shoes, but these are really awesome. So let me give you a little bit of backstory. I was in Neiman Marcus yesterday, kind of browsing around the shoe section like I frequently do when we go to the mall, and I ran across these in the Adidas section. Now they had this wolf gray color, they also had a green color, and they also had red. So I tried on the gray and I also tried on the red. At first I was leaning more towards the red, because based on what I've seen on social media and across a lot of fashion people on social media, it appears that red and bright, flashy, vibrant colors are going to be very prominent in 2018 as far as fashion goes. So at first I really wanted to get the red because I figured that would be a nice statement piece to go ahead and add to my shoe collection for 2018. But when I tried them on, they were just too bright. Like, the red looked good, but it was so bright and so loud. Like, I almost wish that the red had been just one shade darker, so it wasn't quite as loud. But it looked good. It was a good looking shoe, but in the end it just wasn't for me. I almost pulled the trigger on the red ones, but I did not, because I ended up getting these instead. And these just look a lot more clean to me. They'll be a lot easier to style across the board, and I just think these are so fire. But enough with my ranting, so let me go over the details with it. Obviously, they do have Boost on the bottom right here, and that goes through the entire sole. The bottom of it sort of like a NMD sole. It's pretty much exactly the same, except it just doesn't have the little bricks on the sides. So I would say these are actually a little bit more comfortable than a pair of NMDs would be. Then there's a lot of materials that go into the making of this shoe. Everything from what seems to be a neoprene on the outside, mesh on the inside, the Boost on the bottom. There's leather and suede all over this sneaker. And it's just, there's a ton of detail on this thing. Like, when you get up close to it, look at all the little divots and crevices along the 3 stripes. You got the Iniki logo right there, Adidas on the back, 3 stripes again, Boost all the way around. This entire front cap right here is suede, as well as along the liner right here. The tongue is mesh, and then the entire inside is mesh as well. I don't know if you can quite see that. This back tab right here is leather, and then the 3 stripes are all leather as well. So This is a really nice quality runner. I mean, most of the time runners don't typically have leather and suede on them. Some of them do, especially New Balance and Asics. So I think this was Adidas kind of take on that type of a sneaker, but they put Boost on it, so it made it like 10 times more comfortable. So I really like this shoe. It's super comfortable on. I would compare the comfort level of these to that of an NMD. The only complaint or gripe, I guess, that I have about this shoe is that there's a ton of Boost in the back right here, but then there's like hardly any up at the front. So like when I'm walking in these, it feels like when I step down on the back like that, it feels like there's a lot of cushioning and then it just kind of flattens off really quickly. But I mean, it's not anything really to complain about. The entire shoe is so soft, it's so comfortable that it doesn't even matter that much. I would not be uncomfortable wearing these shoes throughout the entirety of the day. These shoes are just absolutely awesome. Let me go ahead and show you what these things look like on feet.
Oh, make that bass drop!
Alright guys, that wraps it up for today's video. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below and you can see when I post a video next. Smash that thumbs up button and leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one. Later.